free to judge me, but let me take you back to the history. Why this topic?
Yes.
A few days ago, a friend of mine called me and asked me, Doreen, I'm struggling. I've been to the hospital, I was given medication, and it seems not to work.
Yeah.
And I told him, the problem is you are, I don't know how I can say it, you're trying to get rid of something,
Yeah.
but you are not stopping what is causing it.
Yeah.
It's like getting a maid to keep mopping your bathroom when the tap is flowing.
Yeah.
It will mop and then the water will keep
Flow.
coming in. So I told him, you know what you need to do? Identify what is the cause. Understand, as a man, how much water are you drinking? Now let's
Yeah.
talk about the things that are going to help your
Yeah.
sperm stay healthy.
Yeah.
Number one, how much water are you taking a
Taking.
day?
Yeah.
That's very important. I know men who don't drink water.
It's many.
When they are thirsty, they drink a beer or coffee. Or coffee is not water, men.
Mm-hmm.
Coffee is not water.
Yeah.
Tonic water is not water. Water is water. It should be plain water.
Yeah.
So in order to improve your sperm health, you need to drink water. Minimum, it should be a liter a day.
Yeah.
Then whenever a man ejaculates, he loses zinc. Every time you
Ejaculate.
ejaculate, like you sleep with a woman and you come, that is zinc gone.
Over 7 million, they told me.
Yeah, it's that is a bit exaggerated. I
Yeah.
cannot
Yeah.
side on that.
Yeah.
But one thing I know, it
Yeah.
goes.
Yeah.
So you might lose that number, but
Yeah.
my man can lose 1,000 and another one. So it's relevant. It moves from person to person. So when a man is losing it, what is he replacing it with?
Yes.
So we have talked of water.
Yeah.
There are very many products that are very rich in zinc.
Yeah.
We are talking about Molondo. I see border guys taking Molondo.
Molondo, yes, yes, yes.
It's so powerful when it comes to replacing the zinc in your system as a man.
Yeah.
There is Sogam.
White Molondo is the white Modai. Is it white and Modai or something in English?
In English, it's in the family of ashwagandha.
That's right, yes.
But I'm not so sure
Yeah,
of
it's
the
called
name, but it's
white and Modai.
it's in
something.
the family of
Yeah.
it's in the family of
Yeah.
ashwagandha. But Molondo is quite popular. I believe as a Ugandan,
Yes.
you've seen that
Yes.
stick that the border guys like to take.
Yeah.
If it doesn't taste good on you, I'd advise you get a blender and mix it with a sugar cane.
Yeah.
So mixing it with sugar cane is very powerful. I think you saw a post when I posted Kalodo. Kalodo
Yes.
is the
Molasses.
fructose in the, yes, it's
black
very
molasses.
rich in zinc.
Yeah.
So if you don't have access to it, you can use the sugar cane. So you combine the Molondo with the sugar cane. It will be very helpful. Then under that same family, we have Sogam. Long ago, every time men would go and hunt, they would sit and take Sogam. So our generation is trying to copy, but we are taking whiskey.
Yeah, whiskey.
Instead
They
of
had liquors.
Mara.
Instead of Mara, they had liquors.
Yeah, so to the man, it is Mara.
Yes.
Whiskey is not, it's for swag.
And then for the Bachigas, it goes to Nturide.
Yeah,
then
for the
Nturide. Yeah.
Thank you very
Yes.
much. I don't know why you're not in the health world.
Yeah, I know. They like it. Even the women like the
Yes,
Nturide so
so
much.
Nturide has Sogam. It's very rich in zinc. So
Yeah.
if you're there and you have access to Nturide, good.
Yeah.
Zambi, Mutuyambe, we need those farms.
Yeah.
Then we have SimSim. SimSim is very rich. We
Yeah.
have G-nuts. The Basoga can witness. So you realize that all these things that I've talked about, men use them to increase their performance in bed.
Yeah.
But the actual essence is to improve their sperm health.
Yeah.